Hi everyone, and welcome to Ultra Cash Channel. Today, we're going to talk about a fundamental topic for your financial well-being: how to create an effective personal budget. If you're looking for ways to control your finances and save more money, this video is for you. Don't miss it. Introduction to budgeting. First, let's talk about what a budget is. A budget is simply a plan for your money. It helps you see how much money you have, how much you spend, and what you spend it on. It's an essential tool for managing your personal finances effectively. Importance of a budget. Why is it important to have a budget? Here are 3 key reasons. A budget helps you avoid spending more than you earn. It allows you to save for important goals like a house, a car, or a vacation. It gives you a sense of control and reduces money-related anxiety. Steps to create a budget. Now, let's go over the steps to create an effective budget. Determine your income. Make a list of all your monthly income sources. This can include your salary, investment income, or any other sources of money. List your expenses. Divide your expenses into 2 categories, fixed and variable. Fixed expenses are the same every month, like rent and loan payments. Variable expenses can change, like food and entertainment. Calculate the difference. Subtract your total expenses from your total income. This will give you a clear picture of your current financial situation. Adjust as needed. If you have a negative balance, you'll need to adjust your expenses. Look for areas where you can cut costs. If you have a positive balance, consider allocating that money to savings or investments. Monitor and adjust your budget regularly. Review your budget every month and make adjustments as necessary. This will help you stay on track and adapt to any changes in your finances. Useful tools and resources. There are many tools and apps that can help you create and manage your budget more easily.
There are many tools and apps that can help you create and manage your budget more easily. Some of the most popular ones are Mint, a free app that connects to your bank accounts and categorizes your expenses automatically. You need a budget. FIANANCES, a paid tool that teaches you to give every dollar a job. Excel or Google Sheets. If you prefer to do it manually, these spreadsheets are an excellent option. Creating an effective personal budget is a crucial step towards better financial management and achieving your goals. I hope these tips were helpful. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more personal finance content. And don't forget to leave your questions and comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.